What is targeted cognitive intervention? Bright, motivated students come to Carroll School with language-specific learning challenges such as dyslexia. These children share a similar learning profile. They struggle to read. But when we look closer, we've uncovered that there are underlying cognitive differences. Many of these students have weaknesses in one or more cognitive capacity, how their brains process, organize, and use information. Take the word bat. You probably just read that on the screen. Simple, right? But when we look at brain activity while reading bat, you get a different perspective. Brain scans reveal so much going on. This is the reading network. It links visual recognition, auditory language, and executive function areas. Not only are these regions themselves crucial, but efficient communication among them is essential for one's ability to read. Think of it as a set of roads connecting important landmarks in the brain. When the road is narrow and full of potholes or backed up with traffic, it takes longer to get from point A to point B. When neural pathways are weak or underdeveloped, the brain's capacity to benefit from instruction is diminished. Armed with this data, we set out to find a way to optimize these cognitive capacities, to pave the roads and turn those pathways into superhighways. What was our solution? Targeted cognitive intervention. Remember our bright students with dyslexia? Their brains work incredibly hard to learn. We asked, what if we could drive faster communication between different brain regions to develop a stronger, more efficient reading network? Partnering with scientists, doctors, cognitive specialists, computer geniuses, and inspired teachers, we developed a training program to do just that, targeted cognitive intervention. TCI is a data-informed educational practice designed to strengthen the reading network in the brain. It includes computer-based assessments and games, regular progress monitoring, and teacher coaching tailored to help students build a cognitive toolbox that they can carry with them throughout their lives. TCI is built to work within a school environment alongside other academic classes. So how does TCI work? Prior to training, each student is given a pre-assessment to measure cognitive functions. Our software crunches the data and we create a cognitive profile for that student. The student is then assigned to a program based on their area of greatest need. In a classroom with a teacher, the student works on a set of activities that targets his or her specific cognitive weakness. Throughout the program, the software helps teachers monitor progress and provide individualized coaching to ensure that the child stays on track. At the end of each round of TCI, a post-test is given to determine which areas have improved. Reports are accessed through the platform by teachers who can use the data in different ways to understand and support each child's unique profile. Maybe you're wondering what results we're seeing. We're so glad you asked. In addition to helping us understand individual profiles, the TCI platform allows us to study data on a group level in order to discover exciting, large-scale trends and patterns among our population. One of the things we found is that improvements in reaction time are most strongly associated with word identification, which in turn is a major predictor of oral reading fluency, a child's ability to read a passage out loud. When we combine TCI training with Carroll's highly individualized reading curriculum, the results are astounding, even to cognitive scientists. Students are moving across percentile bands in oral reading fluency, a feat that many say is not possible. Why is this important? The ability to read fluently is crucial for academic success. Most exciting for us, as a school for children who struggle with dyslexia, is that we are significantly closing the achievement gap for our students.